Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make fried butterfish. So I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious fish, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Alright, and if you guys want to follow me on social media, my Instagram and Facebook is Cooking with Afton. Okay guys, and also I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video, and I also have a second channel. I'd like to ask you guys to please subscribe to my second channel. I will leave that link in the description box down below, and also I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description box down below. So let's get started. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my fried butterfish. So over here I have some fish seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. Over here I have some black pepper, paprika, and chili powder. Here I have some freshly blended green seasoning, and my green seasoning consists of onion, garlic, ginger, raw leaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, marred man pork, and wiri pepper. Here I have some mustard hot sauce, and this is my butterfish that I just cut up. So we'll season it now and I'll show you guys. So the first thing you do is gonna pour all of my seasoning into the fish, just like this. Pour everything inside. Pour in the green seasoning. Dip out my mustard hot sauce here. So you're going to take your hands now and you're going to make sure that all of the fish is well seasoned up. Make sure all of the fish season up really good. And I'm going to let this marinate for about an hour and a half or so, because right now I'm heading on the road. So by the time I come back, this fish will be well marinated. Okay guys, so this is my fried butterfish I'll be making today. Also I'll be making some Guyanese Metemgee, so look out for that video as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this in the fridge now, let it marinate for about an hour and a half, or until I come back. So see you when I get back. So guys, it has been 2 days since I last talked to you guys. This fish has been marinated in my freezer for 2 days. So we're gonna fry it now. So over here we have some flour, cornmeal, all-purpose seasoning, and breadcrumbs. So you're gonna mix it up together, just like this. And you're gonna put your butterfish now into the flour, and we're gonna fry it because we're eating the butterfish with our Guyanese Metemgee. So look out for that video. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Alright, so let's go fry now. So my oil is hot guys, so I'm gonna put my fish in the my oil is hot guys, I'm gonna put in my fish to fry. Ooh, it's so hot. Alright, so we're gonna let this fry. And this fried fish, I'm eating it with some Metemgee. I'll show you guys the Metemgee over here. So guys, my fish has been frying for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna turn them over so you guys see. Just turn them over one by one, just like this. Just like this. It's some break, but that's okay. Look. So I turned all of the fish here, so I'm going to let the other side fry, and when I finish, I'll show you guys the next step. Remember, this fried fish is to go on top of my Metemgee. Over here I have my duck and my Metemgee here. Alright, so look out for both videos. So guys, the fish finished frying, so I'm going to take it out and put it into a plate with paper towel. I have my plate with paper towel here. I'm going to rest the fish there. My emancipation lunch is going to be so delicious, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, my Metemgee just finished cooking too. So, I'm going to plate it and show you guys the end result. So, we'll be back.